What's good, guys?
It's Red Air here.
And Blue Arrow.
So today we're going to be shooting stuff down with these two guns. I have this, she has this.
Yeah, we are going to use both, but basically we're going to be shooting down these targets. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, we're going to be shooting them down with the nerf guns and the pistol. And the targets, I don't know if you can see them.
Yeah, this is not from nerf.
And mine's an automatic, and Gabe just has a pistol. And this is the first target. It's really fat, so we just put it right here. Just container. Or a bigger tripod that we have that's spread out, and then we have a glass can. Gabe, why? I told you to scoot it back further.
Yeah,
and this glass can because it's really skinny. So.
Knock that tripod down.
Okay, but basically we're just gonna try.
Oh, shit.
Okay, and this one's 2, that's 5, and that's 20. And we're gonna see who can get the most points. So Lego.
Yeah, that's not gonna knock down. Wait, none of them are gonna knock down.
Gabe, come on.
None of them are gonna knock down.
Yes, they will. Okay, just whatever. Which gun do you want to shoot with? The automatic or the pistol?
I'm starting off with a good old pistol.
Okay, you have 3 tries. You could switch your guns too. Wait, let me go closer.
Shoot it up in the air.
I'm gonna get a better angle. Which one are you going for? Okay. Okay, he's going for this one. And you must be really close. Gabe, you have to be really close to the mailbox. Hold on. Let me get a good angle. Okay. Okay, come on. Knock it down, Gabe. You better not hit me in the face. He's using the automatic now. Is it jammed?
It's not coming out.
Is it jammed? I'm laying on the ground for this shot. So you better hurry up, Gabe. When you watch this video, you'll hear what I'm saying. And there's a car coming. Gabe, get out the road. I'm gonna look like a lunatic, so I'm gonna get up. Gabe, what's... Okay, just take that dart out and then put it back in. For some reason, the first dart always gets jammed. Okay. Go ask her what she said.
I'll be right back.
Okay, we'll be right back. Peace. Okay, we're back for like 30 seconds, and I'm back laying down, and Gabe has the automatic still, and here we go. I don't think they can hear you, but... Ah, you're missing! Horrible! That was horrible.
This gun doesn't go far.
Now I have to help you collect the darts. Here's one. Okay, here. Wait, you shot all the darts. You only had 3 turns. Boy, now you have to record for me. I'm going for the same one too. Go. Go record.
Wait.
It's okay. They don't have all of them in here. Go record.
There's one right there.
It's okay. I can get this.
Hey guys.
Well, which one are you going for?
I'm going for the first one.
Okay. So I'm gonna try to set up the tripod to be like this. Like, oh shoot! I just break the tripod. Okay, there we go. Oh shoot. What do I press? Okay, yeah.
Did you see red numbers?
Yay. So face all the way down there, if you can see her. Well, she's like a couple feet away from me.
Get beside it, so you can see the can and the No, get lay down beside it.
Oh, like this. Or like this. Just set it up. Hold it like this so you can see me too. You can. You can see over the can.
No, I want to be able to see if I knock down the can. Okay. Well, you can't cause oh wait, never mind.
Okay, here I go.
First attempt. Don't shoot me. Okay. It's first one.
I'm going for the last can.
Last can. You want me to go over there?
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Sweet mama. Yeah. Oh shoot, hold on. Okay, hold on. That was two. Yes, she missed. She missed the cut. I'm just gonna kick it. Bye.
No, 2 rounds. So this is your last round.
Stop. Gabe, hold the camera right. I am. You're all like this. Okay.
Here, put them back in.
You go. No, you put them back in. It's your turn.
Me. I'm not.
Okay. Sorry for the interruption. They're cutting the grass. God dang. Come on, Gabe, you're being slow. Nope. Oh, I thought that was about to break. I kicked it. Come on, Gabe. Why are you waiting? Okay, we'll be back when he's finished because he's really... Okay, it's Gabe's turn and he's... What are you using? Well, they don't know what this gun is. What is it? The pistol? With the pistol? Okay. The glass is right here. Gabe's all the way down. He's right there. He looks like the mailbox. Just get the dart out from there. Hurry, you're being slow. Gabe, no you don't. Okay, come on. It's really getting on my nerves. Oh my goodness, Gabe. You're gonna make me have to cut so much out of this. Close. The red one? I'm gonna set the tripod up on the tripod, dude. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, literally like right beside. It was literally like right beside it. Okay, so Gabe has no points. Hopefully I can come back and get a point because this is the last round for me. And that was the last round for Gabe too, so. Gabe, there's a dart right behind the tripod. Did you shoot that? Okay. Okay, here. Here. 4. Here, hold the camera. Well, that fell. Wait, which one are you going for? Okay. Go ahead, hold on. Okay, good. Oh shoot. Ah! Okay, that was her first try. Yeah, wait, no, hold on, let me angle it. Okay, I can't see you, but it's angled at you. Okay, third one. Okay, guys, she's right there. She's a couple feet away from me. No! Oh, you missed all of them. Well, that's the end of the challenge. Go. Here, that's chocolate. Hey, don't poke it.
That is the end of this challenge, but we're gonna end it off with a race. Me and Gabe. Whoever wins
from the mailbox to the fish mailbox and back
to.
Hold on, let me count.
Wait, Gabe, let's do the white mailbox because I don't know if when I set the tripod up if it's going to be able to see us that far.
3.
Wait, don't go yet.
2.
Wait, Gabe, stop. Okay, Gabe. What? Yeah, okay.
3.
Wait, don't. Gabe, I'm not even up.
Yeah, that's probably. Gosh, that tree has no leaves. Okay.
Okay,
Ready? Hey, I want this. Hey, you cheater.
Well, now she has to do it there. I was kidding. No, I don't. Comment down below
Who's
a
faster?
punishment.
Me.
A punishment and
Okay.
comment hashtag red arrow cheater.
Hey.
And
You tried to cheat. I didn't cheat.
like this video, subscribe.
Come check out my channel, Pokemon the Bro. 5 subscribers, big YouTube channel. I was kidding.
Biggest YouTube channel in the game.
Yeah.
Peace out.